Hello and welcome to my course, How to Get and Keep, more importantly, keep high-paying copywriting contracts. Now, what makes this course different from the dozens of other writing courses on Udemy? Well, for one thing, anyone can become a copywriter, to be perfectly honest. Everyone has a keyboard, a computer. You can easily find low-paying contracts on Craigslist and Upwork, various places, indeed. However, it takes something special to be a top-paid copywriter. And this is what this course will teach you. I will give you the basics, the most important fundamentals to become a top-paid copywriter. Because at the end of the day, the best thing about being a copywriter in the 21st century is that you can work practically anywhere in the world. You simply need a laptop. I myself have worked in Mexico, in Belgrade, Serbia, in the United States, and originally I'm from Australia. So this is the sort of lifestyle that you want to build for yourself. And one very easily achievable way to guarantee that lifestyle is to become a top paid copywriter. This course right here will teach you exactly how to do that. So buckle your seatbelts on. We're going for a ride, and we're going to be talking about concepts that you may not hear in other courses, and you will receive advice that is tailor-made for helping you A, finding top-paying copywriting contracts, B, successfully applying for those contracts, and most importantly, C, keeping those contracts as repeat business. So, let's get started.